Do you sometimes feel shy when speaking English because you don't know the right words? Or you forget words quickly? Or you feel afraid to use new words in front of others? And does this make you nervous when you want to talk, write, or share your ideas? Then you must remember one important thing. Vocabulary can grow step by step, slowly and easily. And today I will share with you 10 very simple tricks that will help you improve your English vocabulary. And if you follow them every day, you will see big changes in your speaking and writing. So let us begin. So welcome to my channel. Stay with Saad. I am Saad, and you can improve your English vocabulary. Step by step, do. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below trick number 1, which is reading every day. Because when you read, you meet new words. And when you see them in sentences, your brain understands the meaning. You can read simple stories, you can read comics, you can read short news, you can read children's books, and you can even read subtitles. Every page gives you new words, and the more you read, the more words you will know. Now, trick number 2 is keeping a notebook. Write every new word you find. Write the meaning in your own language. Write one easy sentence, and then read your notebook every night. This notebook is your personal word bank. It is small today, but big tomorrow. Trick number 3 is making flashcards. You can use paper cards or an app on your phone. Write the word on one side. Write the meaning or sentence on the other side. Test yourself every day. Test yourself when you wait in line. Test yourself before sleep. Test yourself on the bus. Small tests make your memory strong. Now, trick number 4 is learning words and sentences, not alone. Don't just learn run. Learn I run every morning. Don't just learn eat. Learn I eat rice for lunch. Because sentences give the word life and help you use it correctly. Now, trick number 5 is learning word families. One root gives many words, like happy, unhappy, happiness, or create, creative, creation, creativity. One small root grows into a big family, and this multiplies your vocabulary fast. Trick number 6 is using new words daily. Every day, choose 3 new words. Speak them, write them, text them. Maybe say them to a friend. Maybe post them in a message. When you use words, you never forget them, because practice makes memory strong. Trick number 7 is listening to English. Listen to movies. Listen to songs. Listen to podcasts. Listen to YouTube. Listen to stories. When you listen, you hear real-life English. You hear pronunciation. You hear tone. And you learn how people really use words. Now, trick number 8 is playing games. Games make learning fun. Play crosswords. Play matching games. Play vocabulary apps. Play word puzzles. When learning is fun, your brain learns faster. Now, trick number 9 is surrounding yourself with English. Change your phone language. Follow English channels. Join English groups. See English words everywhere. Hear English words every day. When English is around you, learning becomes natural. And now, trick number 10 is being consistent. Study every day. Even 5 minutes, even 10 minutes. Small daily steps are more powerful than big weekly steps. Small drops make an ocean. Small words make a big vocabulary. So remember, vocabulary grows with patience. It grows with practice. It grows with time. Do not try to memorize big lists in one day. Instead, live with words. Use words. Read words. Write words. Hear words. And make them part of your life. Because learning vocabulary is not only about memory, it is about connection. It is about communication. It is about confidence. And if you follow these 10 simple tricks, your vocabulary will grow bigger. Your speaking will grow stronger. your writing will grow clearer, and your confidence will shine brighter. So do not wait for tomorrow. Start today. Read a little, write a little, practice a little, and slowly every day you will see the power of new words. And one day you will look back and smile, because the words you were afraid of yesterday will become your friends tomorrow. And with these friends you can open new doors, meet new people, share new ideas, and change your future, because every word is a key, and the more keys you have, the more doors you can open. So keep collecting your keys, keep growing your words, and let vocabulary become your bridge to success. So, this is I hope you like it a lot. Bye-bye, happy learning.